Was it easier to invest when my parents were young or now when I'm in my 20s? The proverbial question, who had it better, the parents or the kids when they were growing up? Well, I'll tell you, up until maybe my generation, nothing had changed for hundreds of years. Basically, when I was growing up, you went to school, you had some fun, and you worked. That's basically all there was to do. There was no phones, there was no computers, there was no gaming stations, nothing, not even a mall. So the opportunities for us when I was young were very limited to what was local in the community. However, for today's kids, the opportunities are endless. You can spend 15 minutes on Shopify, set up an IG account or a TikTok account, Facebook account, and you're in business basically with the world as your customer. That opportunity did not exist for me getting into business or me opening up a side hustle or anything when I was young. However, these very things that provide you the opportunity also provide you the distraction of not doing it. The difference today is that children today, or Gen Zs or millennials or whatever you want to call them in terms of a demographic, have to discipline themselves to postpone gratification to later. We never had the option. We never had ways to spend lots of money. We had to save our money. There's nothing to buy. Now you can spend $100, $200 a month just on paying for apps on your phone. So you are getting drained endlessly with this technology that you would actually use to gain money. However, the people that are the consumers, they lose money. In the end, the only way to make money and be very wealthy at a later age in life is to start investing your money now, start doing your side hustles now, start having discipline now, start postponing gratification to later, and invest and store your money into assets that will reproduce over and over again. Now, I would like you to look at another video about compounding that will even convince you more that you have to start earlier. However, you have a way better opportunity now at this age than any other generation before to make money. It doesn't matter what the housing prices are. You're going to be able to buy 2 or 3 homes if you do things right. So there is no excuse other than you not wanting to do it, other than you not sacrificing to do it and putting the effort in actually to do it.